Jay making movies.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We back, man. Per usual. We got something new. We got something early, man. You know what I'm saying? You know how your boy Jay do it, you know what I'm saying? You already know the vibes of what's going on. Hold on one second, y'all. Who this here calling me, bro? Hold on. Jay from the future. What's good, my G? Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Them 2024s, right? Yeah. They on deck. Yeah. Fam seen it first, though. The fam seen it first, bro. But yeah, I got you. Say less, you know what I'm saying? Just pull up to the channel, hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up, and I got you. You already know the vibes, my G. But yes, sir. Yes, sir. Always. For sure. 2024. We in there. YouTube family. Welcome to the year 2024, man. What's good with y'all, man? What's poppin'? Your boy Jay is here, man. I'm here to give y'all some more of this daily sneaker content, man. And today we will be taking it to the future, man. We taking it to the future, man. Your boy Jay has a shoe that is set to be releasing all the way in March. Y'all don't hear me. Let me get up and walk. March, bruh. Come on, man. March 2024 is the release date for this shoe. March 9th to be exact, man. But I do have a shoe that I think they nice. They nice. You know what else is new? Your boy Jay likes them. I like what Jay likes. You know what I'm saying? But before we dive into it, man, as the intro briefly told y'all, I dropped a little hint, man. Make sure that y'all hit that thumbs up, man. I'm gonna keep them coming to y'all, bro. I'm gonna keep them coming out to y'all, man. Thumbs up. I know if you guys tuned into my video from yesterday, which a lot of y'all did, man, I truly appreciate the engagement and support from my video from yesterday. I will keep those coming out on a daily or on a weekly basis. I will drop those type of videos because y'all seem to kind of like those and y'all engage with it quite a bit. But during that video, y'all, I did talk about how I went brain dead. Yeah, I do this. I just be freestyling, y'all, so y'all gotta forgive me. But I did mention that I was supposed to be dropping my Jordan 14 black and white review on feet today. Bang! Yes, these right here. I was supposed to give y'all the detailed review on feet, movie to these, man. But I stumbled across some shoes and I was like, bro, I gotta get those out ASAP, man. I gotta let the fam see those because they nice. But yeah, man, we will be talking about these today. Tomorrow I'm gonna hit y'all with the movie to the 14s, man, because a lot of y'all are interested in that shoe, man, so stay tuned for that one. Got it coming. But if this is your first time stopping through, glad to have you rocking out with your boy Jay and the fam, man. We would love for you to be a part of the fam. Stick around, man. Hit that subscribe button down below, man. Join the fam. You know what I'm saying? Rock out, man. We do a lot of different things over here, man. We put y'all on, you know what I'm saying, just different looks, different lace swaps, vlogs, all that stuff, man. So definitely stick around, and it's truly appreciated. Shout out to all the new members because we have been growing, y'all. We about to hit 153. We about to hit 150. Let me get up again, bro. Y'all playing, bro. We are about to hit 153,000 over here, man. And that's amazing, man. Thankful for it, man. But yes, I'm not gonna talk y'all ears off. Maybe a little bit, but these shoes that I do have here, y'all, I will be giving away a free pair. Free, absolutely 100% free, y'all, over on Whatnot, y'all. So you need to pull up to the Whatnot this upcoming Thursday, y'all. Only people who purchase items from the Whatnot from $1, $10, $200, whatever y'all purchase, that will enable you to be entered into the free giveaway. I will do the giveaway at the end of the Whatnot show for a free pair of this shoe that I have right here, man. So if y'all want in on it, go ahead, get linked in with the Whatnot right now, get signed up. It is absolutely free. It actually is a +10 for you because you get an automatic $10 for signing up using the link that is down below in the description, man. So take advantage of that. Right now, I will be going live this upcoming Thursday. I plan on seeing you all there, man. Last week, I gave away a pair, or Saturday that just passed, I gave away a free pair. Bang! Of Jordan 1 yellow ochres. Hello, Jay from the future. Yes, I gave away a free pair of these on Saturday. Congrats to the winner, and I allowed everyone who was in there to get a chance to get them for free, man. So shout out to the winner of those. But yes, free pair of these this Thursday. Don't miss it. The link is in the description. Woo! Outside of that, y'all, bang! Bang, man, 2024 is here. 2024 is here, y'all. As you can see, this shoe is releasing in March, as I told y'all, all over cement printed box, man. You do got the circle Jumpman logo with the orange hits, and it does say Air Jordan Flight Club right there. So you do got that right there on the box. Cement all over it. Size tag on this one reads Air Jordan 5. Retro color blocking is Army Olive Solar Orange. So are these the Army 5s? I had a different name for it, but Army 5s might be the name for these, man. But this shoe right here, when you pop open the box lid, it will come with a QC little sticker right there, man. It's a sticker right there. I don't see any lot numbers or anything, but it does have a QC. Definitely a QC sticker. It says QC on it. So you got a QC sticker right there. Any white and green stickers? No white and green stickers, y'all. So that is it for the box contents. Now, the shoe that is releasing on March 9th, 2024, man. We all thumbs it up, man. Come on, bruh. We all the way in like the end of the first quarter 2024, man. That's crazy, but we do got the Air Jordan 5, what I like to call olives, but we gonna call them armies. Ooh, bang! So there we have them, y'all, the Jordan 5 olives, y'all. Jordan 5 olives set to be releasing in March. I want to say that this might be a 210. I don't see these being $200, but who knows, bro? They might be $200, but I'm gonna just guess and say they'll be around 210, even 225 ballpark on these. But the Jordan 5's olives, man, these are not bad, y'all. Let's talk about them. And hold up, real quick before I hit y'all with that good old bang. I did see a white and green sticker in the cut back there hiding from me, y'all. It was at the bottom, y'all. Forgive me. You know what I'm saying? I don't want y'all to be like, bro, my box got a white and green sticker. Yeah, legit pairs, white and green sticker. I said I didn't see it before, but it is there. Bang! So yes, sir, man. It has almost been 20 years since we have seen a Jordan 5 in this colorway, y'all. The last time we've seen Olive 5's release was back in 2006, y'all, and we are getting them back 2024, and they look clean, bro. They look clean. Now, I don't believe that these will sell out, just going according to the current sneaker market that we're seeing, but I do think that this will be a hot seller. I definitely see this being a hot seller. They could have released this January. They could have released it February, you know, like we want to get some of those cold months in for this type of color, but they're releasing it kind of during a season change, you know, but I still think that these will definitely get picked up, man. Nice shoe, man. The materials though, the materials on this pair is very different, y'all. I don't know if it's picking up or you can see it, but it does have like, it's a nubucky, canvasy, I don't even know if those are words, but if you feel what I'm saying, you feel what I'm saying. But it's like a nubuck mixed with like a canvas type of material, y'all, and it has a back and forth type of motion to it, y'all. It's crazy. Let me put this down. Hold on. Actually, this can go right here. Let me get this pair. Let's do that and let's look. So take a look, y'all. Toe box. Take a look at this. So you can kind of see a back and forth motion that it does have on it, but it's definitely a different type of material all throughout this shoe, man. And if you guys wanted these to be in nubuck or suede, this, like, I don't know, bro, frayed material, it shouldn't deter you from being like, nah, bro, I don't like the material. It really looks just like a nubuck or a suede, man. Not mad at them at all. They definitely look very simple. I mean, they're a total different silhouette, but of course, spot on colors. Bang! To the upcoming Air Jordan 1 Celadons, y'all. So we got 2 olives to say releasing. Of course, these do not come with the orange laces like I told y'all. Y'all was telling me that the orange laces go crazy in these. Yes, they do. Jordan brand, y'all dropped the ball. Same thing with these, y'all. These do not come with any extra laces outside of the green that comes with it. You know what I'm saying? So they kept them OG, you know, but I'm definitely gonna have to take these up out of here and throw them in here, y'all. Definitely orange laces inside this shoe. You can see it right there, bro. Orange laces is gonna pop, you know, we already know the vibes of that. But definitely a clean pair, man. Y'all let me know y'all first thoughts and opinions on the Jordan 5 Olives. Like I said, man, I want to get y'all a good look at that material, y'all. Like, what type of material is that, man? But bottom of the shoe, you got your orange Jumpman, green little, you know what I'm saying, hits on it, man. These are solid, man. This is definitely a solid shoe. I like it, bro. It looks very, very similar to the OG. Of course, the orange interior sock liner right inside there. But man, these, we always say it, man, but that orange Nike Air on the back of these would have made these amazing. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's fine the way it is, but man, an orange Nike Air slapped on the back of these would have been crazy. But I am giving away a free pair, y'all, on Thursday. Like I told you, I'm giving away a free pair on Whatnot, so tap into that if you want a chance to go ahead and get a free pair of these early. But yeah, man, definitely giving me Gatorade vibes on the lace lock with the orange and the green Jumpman, you know. But fire, man. Army 5s, is that the new name? Because that is a part of the color. A part of the colorway is Army. So these might be Army 5s, y'all. So I might, I don't know, put on some camo gear for this, right? I don't know. March. But man, I got some, bruh, you know I like to, like, you know, put my fits together and stuff like that, man. I got a pair of camos. They like some polo cam. When I pull them out, y'all gonna be like, yeah, you showed us that in this video, because I'm about to show them to y'all right now because they just that crazy. Let me show y'all these pants that I'm talking about to go with these. Bang, y'all. So, bruh, I gotta do better, bruh. I gotta be like going through my closet, because I be having like pieces that go with clothes and I just be overlooking stuff, man. But anyways, man, look, y'all see right there, you got Love War on the back with the little orange little, you know what I'm saying, hit on it. These are Polo Ralph Lauren, man. Orange outline on the camo. Take a look at that little side pocket area, USA flag with the orange hits on it. And then they got the orange distressing going all throughout them, man. Look, man. I'm gonna have to pop out with these, man. So this is the pants that I was telling y'all about, y'all, that'll go crazy with the Olive 5s, man. And like I said, look, y'all, I gotta go through my closet and see what I got, because like I said, I be having so many things, but I just got too much. Everything is like just swamped. So I overlook a lot of my clothes, but I just wanted to show that to y'all, man. But the Olive 5s, man, talk to me down below, man. Whoa. Is this a cop? Is it a pass? But yes, man, we are all the way in 2024 with these. March to be exact. You see the orange fighter jets with the little spickle splackle in orange. I mean, in green, the olive green, man. But last look at them. Tell me what your thoughts and opinions are down below in the comment section. Outside of that, your boy Jay is checking out, man. Like I said, not mad at him, man. But we are coming out real soon with something very similar. Of course, the Celadines this month on the 23rd, man. So which will you be going after? Is it the 5s? Is it the 1s? Y'all comment down below. But that is it. I'm out. Hello, yeah, we still in 2024. You know the vibes, man. Your boy Jay is gonna holler at y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Till the next time. Hey, make sure y'all thumbs it up too. I'm gone, man. Peace.